I think it will help a lot of people to know this. When somebody tells them, yeah, the cost, a real cost per lead is going to be somewhere around 40 something bucks. I have to hire them to, it's kind of like I hire a lion and then I want him to behave like a lamb. You can't have it both ways. If you hire a sales rep, you got to know that that guy needs to go out there and hunt and kill so that everyone can eat.
Yep.
And you can't muzzle an ox while he's treading.
Oh.
You can't do it. So that's why I've been like, okay, if I hire a salesperson, I need to know that, hey, I can feed him leads and he can have enough where he's going to be happy because he has to feed his family. He can't say, I can't turn down half of what you're turning down because I can't eat. Right. So you got to go do it. He has to go sell it, and you got to figure out how the technician pulls it off. Luckily, I have like really good technicians that they can, it doesn't matter what comes their way, they can handle it. It's not going to be, and if it's too bad, that thing, hey, Frank, there's no way. These things have a million holes on this property, but that's 1%. I'm not going to hold the business back because of that fear. So yeah, bro, anything else, bro? We talked about D2D, LSA, PPC, PPL,